Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to remove the background from an image. If you've been searching for a way to remove or erase background from a photo online for free, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. Today I am going to remove the background from this dog picture for free using an online tool in just a minute. To remove the background from an image online for free, first of all, search for Adobe Express in Google. From the search results, click on this link of Adobe Express. You can also directly open the Adobe Express website using the link in the description box of this video. Now, you will see this type of screen. From the menu, click on Edit at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. Select Remove Background from the menu. Now you are on a new page. Here, you need to upload your image from your computer or mobile device. You can select by clicking on the Upload Your Photo button or drag and drop an image from your device to here. After uploading your image, Adobe Express will automatically process the image and remove the background. Look at the background of my image has been deleted. If you want to add a custom background to your image, you can upload it by clicking on the Upload Image button. From the right side, you can choose any images or colors for the background if you wish to change it. Just click on Transparent if you want to download the image without a background. Once you're satisfied with the result, click on the Download button. Now, your transparent or changed background picture is downloaded to your device download folder.